All right, so one of the very rarest things here. So we got midpoints. All right, so midpoint, midpoint. All right, it says EF is 2x plus 8. And it says AB is 7x minus 2. It says, what's the perimeter of the trapezoid? Okay. Midpoints. Oh, equilateral triangle. Sorry. I missed equilateral triangle. That means that these three sides are all exactly the same. Okay. So there's two things at play here. Number one, equilateral triangle, all three sides are the same. So I'm going to find AB and multiply it by 3. All right. No, not true. But I'm going to find one side and I'm going to know all three. Second thing is, this thing is called a mid-segment because it connects midpoints, and it means it's half of that. All right, half as long as the bottom. So that means it takes 2 of the 2x plus 8s to equal 1 7x minus 2. Very rarely do we have to do algebra, but here is one of the situations where we do. All right, so it's 4x plus 16. Don't put 8. 4x plus 16. And I'm going to move the 4x, and I'm going to move the 2. And I'm going to get 18x, no, 18, jeez, equals 3x divided by 3. And I get x equals 6. All right, so x is 6, which means that this bottom side is 7 times. There we go. 7 times 6 minus 2 is 40. So that means that this is 40. I don't know what's going on with this computer. Okay, it means that's 20 because it's half of it. It means that this is also 40, but then this is 20 because E is a midpoint. This is also 40, which means that this is 20. So it's 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 40, which is 100 even. All right, 100 even. So there's a lot of stuff at play there that's a much, much harder question than it looks like. All right, much, much harder question than it looks like.